Hello students, so I'm back with the problem solving of expectation. So let us do few more problems of expectation so you'll have a good hang of it. So this is the second problem. Solution. So again, a random variable x has a PDF fx equal to k upon 1 plus x square from minus infinity to infinity. So determine k. तो ये तो रैंडम वेरिएबल्स का सम हो गया. डिटरमाइन k. So minus infinity to infinity fx dx is 1. But fx is what? Integration में whenever the limit is minus of something to plus of the same thing, there is a very important property of integration which says it is 2 times 0 to a if fx is even. Okay, else it is 0. So यहाँ पे this function, this is a even function. अब मुझे कैसे समझा ये इवन फंक्शन है? आप इवन चेक करने के लिए एफ ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ माइनस एक्स इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ एक्स का चेक परफॉर्म कीजिए. इफ एफ ऑफ माइनस एक्स इन आवर केस इट इज के अपॉन 1 प्लस माइनस एक्स का स्क्वायर. इफ इट टर्न्स आउट टू बी एफ ऑफ एक्स then it is a even function. So yes, this is same as fx. So f of minus x is equal to fx. So I'll write this as 2 times 0 to infinity, because 2 times 0 to a I'll take the k outside. Integration of 1 upon x square plus a square is 1 upon a tan inverse of x by a. Okay. So x square plus 1 square. So 1 upon 1 tan inverse of x by 1. ये आएगा आपका tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse 0. I'll not write it directly. Tan inverse infinity is pi by 2 and tan inverse of 0 is 0. K आएगा आपका 1 upon pi. Yeah, so we have only found k till now. So fx is k upon 1 plus x square. Yeah. Second is p of x greater than 0. P of x greater than 0. Greater than 0 means it is 0 to infinity fx dx. So 0 to infinity 1 upon pi 1 plus x square dx. So this is 1 upon pi 1 upon 1 tan inverse of x by 1. Tan inverse of infinity minus tan inverse of 0. Tan inverse 0 is 0 and this is pi by 2. So I'll get half as my answer. Okay, third part में they are asking me mean, I guess. Yeah, find the mean and variance also. So third part is mean. अब mean मैंने already बोल दिया आपको. Expectation is nothing but mean. So this is a continuous random variable x into fx dx. See, now you have to understand this technique. Only x is a odd function, and this whole thing we have already checked, it is a even function. When we had checked यहाँ पे k था, so k is just getting replaced by 1 upon pi. Okay, so it's a constant. So if you are replacing something by a constant and k was a constant only, so it doesn't matter. Function would be even. So odd into even gives me odd function. See, odd into even, you should not think it is even because I'm not talking about numbers, I'm talking about functions. 2 into 3 is 6, agreed, it is even number, but there we are multiplying two numbers and we are talking about numbers. Here I'm talking about functions. So overall this integration is odd. So minus infinity से infinity of odd function is always 0. So mean 0 हो गया. Now variance. For variance I need to calculate e of x square. E of x is already ready. So I'll calculate e of x square. This is okay, now this is not discrete random variable, this is continuous random variable. So minus infinity to infinity x square into 1 upon pi 1 plus x square dx. यहाँ पे दोनों फंक्शन इवन है, x square is also even and this is also even. Even into even is even. So even function आ गया इसके अंदर. So 2 times 0 to infinity. I'll take the 1 upon pi outside and I'll write it like this. I'll add 1 on numerator and subtract it. Separate it term by term. So 1 plus x square upon this. So 0 to infinity, 1 minus 2 by pi, this will give me x and this will give me tan inverse x. 0 to infinity. Now if I put infinity minus tan inverse infinity is pi by 2 and 0 पे सब 0 होगा. So infinity minus anything is not defined. So this is not defined. E of x square is not defined. Okay. Now variance is E of x square. So not defined, ये infinity आ गया और ये 0 का square. So again it is infinity, so not defined. So इस sum का variance is not defined. So in exams it could happen that you are getting such answers, so you don't need to hesitate. Be confident on your problem solving. Okay. So let us move on to the next problem. The PDF is given by fx equal to kx square 1 minus x cube from x 0 to 1 and 0 otherwise. Find k. Again it is a random variable part. Probability of x between 0 and half and x bar and variance. So it is similar to the previous problem. सिर्फ ये थोड़ा calculative है. So let us again do this. We know that minus infinity to infinity fx dx is 1. Okay, in random variables I had explained you how to break the integration limits. So here I am directly writing the limits from 0 to 1. ये आप कैल्सी में इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हो बहुत इजीली, साइंटिफिक कैल्सी में. So in case anyone is having problem in integration, they can definitely use calci. So x square का integration is x cube by 3, x raised to 5 is x raised to 6 by 6. So I'll get 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6 and 0 पे 0 होगा. 6 minus sorry, LCM is 6, so 2 minus 1. So k is 6. So I'll rewrite the PDF 6 times एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू 1 माइनस एक्स क्यूब बिटवीन 0 एंड 1. अब क्या पूछा है? प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एक्स बिटवीन 0 एंड हाफ. सी, एक्स बिटवीन 0 एंड हाफ. So let us do that. 0 and half, so 0 से लेके हाफ एफ एक्स डी एक्स. 0 से हाफ सिक्स एक्स स्क्वायर 1 माइनस एक्स क्यूब डी एक्स. एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स रेज टू 5 डी एक्स. This is x cube by 3 minus x raised to 6 by 6. 0 to half. I'll take LCM. I'll get the 6 outside. तो ये 2x cube minus x raised to 6. 0 से half. 2 into half cube. माइनस हाफ रेज टू 6. 0 पे दोनों 0 होगा. सो आई कैन टेक हाफ क्यूब आउटसाइड. सिक्सटीन माइनस 1 15 by 8, तो 15 by 64. So yeah, it was very calculative. Okay, now we have to calculate mean. X bar is mean and mean is nothing but expectation. So 0 से 1 लिख रहा हूँ मैं डायरेक्ट. आई एम नॉट राइटिंग माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू इन्फिनिटी. 0 to 1 x into fx dx. So 0 to 1 x into 6x square 1 minus x cube dx. Six. Yeah, so this is 6 comes outside. 0 to 1 x cube into 1 minus x cube dx. So 6 times again this can be easily calculated in your calcs. So x raised to 4 by 4, x raised to 7 by 7. 0 to 1. I'll just check the limits once. Yeah, 0 to 1. This is 1/4 minus 1 by 7 and 0 पे सब 0 होगा. So 7 minus 4 upon 28. 2 3s are 2 14s are. 7 minus 4 is 3, so 9 by 14. तो ये आपका expectation, or you can say it is a mean. Now fourth part is variance. So variance is expectation of x square minus expectation of x का square. So expectation of x square is, because I have to find expectation of x square. Expectation of x मिल गया ऊपर. Expectation of x square find करना है. So it is 0 to 1 x square into fx. 0 to 1. This is 6x square 1 minus x cube dx. तो 6 बाहर आएगा. 0 से 1 x raised to 4 1 minus x cube dx. तो ये 6 0 से 1 Okay, integration of this would give me x raised to 5 by 5 minus x raised to 8 by 8. So I hope everyone knows these basic integrations. So 1/5 minus 1 by 8. LCM is 40. So 8 minus 5 upon 40. So I'll get 2 3s are 2 20s are 3 into 3 9 9 by 20. तो ये आपका e of x square हो गया. So variance is e of x square minus e of x the whole square. So 9 by 20 minus 9 by 14 का square. Okay, you can obviously calculate this on your calculators. So you'll get the answer something of this form. I am calculating it on the calculator. Nine by 14 square. So it turns out to be 9 upon 245. Yeah, you can check the calculations and this would be the final answer. So this is the variance of the given problem. So let us move on to the next problem. A coin is tossed until a head appears. What is the expectation of number of tosses required? Yes, expectation mein I have frequently seen they are asking word problems, and this is a very favorite word problem which I have seen in many papers. So a coin is tossed until a head appears. What is the expectation of number of tosses required? Superb sum. So a coin is tossed until a head appears. So let x denotes number of tosses required to get a head. ओके तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपको फर्स्ट टॉस में हेड आ गया, पॉसिबल है. तो फर्स्ट टॉस में हेड आ गया तो उसका प्रोबेबिलिटी कितना होगा? हाफ. आई एम टॉसिंग अ कॉइन, हेड आ गया. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव रिटन. नाउ इट माइट हैपन कि आई एम टॉसिंग अ कॉइन and I see a tail. Then I am again tossing it once more and I get a head. So I am getting head in the second toss. तो फर्स्ट चांस में टेल आया उसका प्रोबेबिलिटी हाफ, सेकेंड में हेड आया उसका प्रोबेबिलिटी हाफ. ओके, एंड ऑब्वियसली सेकेंड में हेड आया दैट इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ प्रीवियस इवेंट में जो भी आया. ओके, वेदर इट इज हेड और टेल आई डोंट केयर. तो प्रोबेबिलिटीज आर इंडिपेंडेंट, इसलिए हाफ एंड हाफ आ रहा है. नाउ थर्ड टॉस में हेड आया, मतलब इट इज फर्स्ट दो में टेल आया होगा एंड थर्ड में हेड. सो हाफ 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 एंड दिस विल गो ऑन. ओके, सो आई कैन राइट x into p of x. So you'll get 1 into half, 2 into half square, 3 into half cube. Now expectation is x into p of x, summation of. So we get 1 into half plus 2 into half square plus 3 into half cube and so on. Half 1 plus 2 times half plus 3 times half square and so on. Okay, अब है ना एक फॉर्मूला है which you can use. Actually this is a AGP but I don't want to get into AGP, so I'm giving you a formula. This is as good as 1 minus x raised to minus 2. ओके, ये याद रखना. सो इसमें यू कैन रिलेट टू एक्स, यू कैन रिलेट हाफ टू एक्स. सो इट इज हाफ 1 माइनस हाफ रेज टू minus 2. So 1 minus half gives me half raised to minus 2. So this is 2. Okay, expectation 2 आ गया. So I hope you all have understood the problem. The problem says a coin is tossed until a head appears. तो coin को toss करते जाओ जब तक head नहीं आता है. What is expectation of number of tosses required? Okay, so it can happen कि I toss a coin first chance में head आ गया. Else ये जैसे scenario बताया इतने infinite possibilities हो सकते हैं. So उसका expectation find किया. Yeah, so let us take the next problem. Yes, this is also an important problem. Find mean and variance and check whether fx is PDF or not. Wow, this is a good problem. First, let me check whether it is a PDF or not. PDF or not का meaning क्या हो गया? PDF or not मतलब I have to check कि इसका integration between minus infinity to infinity and it is defined in minus infinity to infinity. ये 1 आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है? We have to check that. Okay. So let us check. Okay, अब minus infinity से infinity mod x is always an even function. So this is overall a even function. So we'll get ये half बाहर आएगा 2 times 0 से infinity e raised to minus mod x dx. Now I cannot integrate e raised to mod x. So mod x का एक definition हुआ करता था. It is x greater than equal to 0 and x less than 0. So if this is positive, mod x opens with positive. If this is negative, mod x opens with negative. Now you must be wondering तो but mod of minus 5 तो 5 लिखा है तो वो कैसे होता है? ये बैकग्राउंड के पीछे होता है. See, I'll explain you that. See, mod of minus 5. So you tell me ये जो x है ये नेगेटिव है या पॉजिटिव है? ऑब्वियसली नेगेटिव है. ओके, so it is minus of x. So minus minus gives me plus. So this is the actual story behind that mod x. तो 0 से इन्फिनिटी में mod x will open with positive because x आपका 0 से इन्फिनिट जा रहा है तो पॉजिटिव साइड पे है तो mod x opens with positive और ये बाहर का माइनस एज इट इज. e raised to minus x का इंटीग्रेशन इज e raised to minus x upon minus 1. So e raised to minus infinity minus e raised to minus 0 upon minus 1. ये 0 minus 1 upon minus 1 1 होगा. Okay, getting? Now let us, so this is 1. So therefore, minus infinity to infinity, fx dx is 1. And also, fx is greater than equal to 0 for x greater than 0 because तुम्हारा PDF नहीं, your PDF is defined for all x minus infinity से infinity because exponential का graph is always positive. Okay, e raised to minus x का graph is positive. Exponential can never give you a negative value, remember. So fx is positive. Now we have to find mean. Mean is nothing but expectation and expectation is minus infinity to infinity x into fx dx. ये odd, ये even because we have just checked fx is a even function. So odd into even is overall odd. Odd function का integration between minus of something to plus of the same thing is always 0. So mean is 0. Now variance, it is e of x square minus e of x the whole square. So e of x square we'll have to calculate. Minus infinity से infinity x square into fx dx. So this is even. So 2 times 0 to infinity x square into half e raised to minus mod x dx. ये इवन फंक्शन है ना, इसलिए यहाँ पे इवन लिखा था मैंने. So this 2 and this 2 goes. Mod opens with a positive sign. So ये negative as it is. ये negative as it is. And mod x opens with positive x. Now there was a chapter 4-year series जिसमें ये integration सीखा होगा. I'll write the formula again. I'll recall the formula for y'all. uv dx is first as it is integration of second minus derivative integration, again derivative, again integration, and so on. This will go on till u का derivative 0 हो जाता है. So how do I apply the formula here? Just have a look. So u v1 minus u dash v2 So e raised to minus infinity is 0. I think I have just a second. Okay, yeah. E raised to minus infinity is 0 और ये infinity होगा. So if you solve it by LH rule, because 0 into infinity is indeterminate form, you'll get 0. Here also you'll get 0, and this is also 0. Upper limit पे 0. Lower limit lower limit 0 0. This x will make 0 और ये टर्म सर्वाइव करेगा. So we are simply getting e raised to minus 0 is 1. So e of x square ये आएगा. So now variance is e of x square minus e of x the whole square. So 2 minus 0 square. I think expectation was 0. Yes. Okay. So I hope you all have understood the sum. In case you all have doubts in the LH rule part, I'll just show you this. See, limit, forget the minus 1 of the denominator. X square e raised to minus x. So I'll write this as, so this is infinity by infinity. Now you differentiate this, apply LH rule. You'll get 2x upon e raised to x. This is again infinity by infinity. Okay, I think I should write it down. So limit x tends to infinity. See, I'll write that integration as it is. So ये infinity by infinity आ गया. Infinity by infinity is also indeterminate. So we apply LH rule. So 2x. See, some teachers directly write 0 into infinity as 0, but you should understand it is indeterminate form. Nothing is exact 0 over there. We are applying the limit. Okay. So you have to take the limiting case. Now again, this is infinity by infinity. So again, you'll apply LH rule. तो अब आप लिमिट डालोगे तो e raised to infinity is infinity, so 2 upon infinity is 0. ओके, सो सिमिलरली x इंटू ई रेज टू माइनस एक्स जो नेक्स्ट टर्म है वो भी 0 आएगा. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ द सेम एनालॉजी. So you can just pause it and again try it by yourself. So I hope this was very helpful for you all. These are important sums, so practice them properly. and in case you have a doubt, you can re-watch the videos. So yeah, I'll be coming up with more word problems in my next videos. So till then, goodbye. Thank you.